Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to get your friend ID on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to share their friend ID so that they can battle their friends. How do you actually go ahead and get your friend ID in Pokemon TCG Pocket? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to log onto our Pokemon TCG Pocket. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you're going to click on the hamburger icon. And then from here, you're actually going to click on your profile name. Now, once you do that, you'll see a variety of different information here. On the upper right hand corner, you're going to see your friend ID with a copy icon. Click on it. So as you can see, you're now getting a confirmation that your friend ID has been copied. So if we click it once more, this is the friend ID that you can go ahead and send to your friends so that they can add you on Pokemon TCG Pocket. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your friend ID on Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do that, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.